Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a BMW X1 door panel. Before we begin, let's ensure you have the right tools for a smooth process. You'll definitely need a set of plastic pry tools to gently separate trim pieces without causing any scratches. A Torx T20 screwdriver is also essential for removing several hidden screws. It's a good idea to have some spare door panel clips on hand, just in case any break during removal. First, fully lower your window to give yourself ample working space. Next, using your plastic pry tool, gently remove the small trim cover located behind the inner door grab handle. Be careful not to scratch the surrounding material. Once this cover is off, you will find two Torx T20 screws that need to be removed. There are typically two more screws located underneath the door panel, often near the bottom edge. With all the screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Start at the bottom corner of the door panel and use your plastic pry tool to gently release the retaining clips. Work your way around the entire perimeter, carefully popping each clip free. Once all clips are disengaged, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to clear it from the window channel. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors and the Bowden cable for the door handle. Before completely removing the panel, double-check that all electrical connections, like those for the window switch and door lock, are safely unplugged. Also, ensure the door handle's Bowden cable is unhooked. Once free, carefully set the door panel aside. When you are ready to reinstall, inspect all the plastic clips on the panel and replace any that are damaged. Then, simply reverse these steps to securely reattach your BMW X1 door panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.